yung nakapatay sa bata, ni-release upon orders of the prosecutor. Tinawagan ko siya pagka-umaga. Hindi siya, pero this is just between us. But if you want it published, fine with me. Sabi ko, i-recall mo yung order ninyo of dismissal and have the guy re-arrested. Kasi piskal ako, piskal ka. Marami man tayong abogado dito. Yung interpretation ng hot pursuit. Yung mga abogado. Ang hot pursuit is based on the principles of Código Penal. Because our penal laws, the penal code, is Spanish era pa yan. Yang sabi mo na pati yung sa Supreme Court na right after the commission of the crime, there is a hot pursuit. Sabihin, habulan kayo. Walang, yung habulan na yan, continuous yan. Continuous, rather. Continuous yan. Hanggang mahuli mo. Then you file a case. How do you apply that? Kayong mga abogado, panyero, how do you apply that stupid principle? Sige daw. Pagka ganun, wala nang maaresto. Alam ninyo yan. Paano mo i-arestuhin yan? Hot pursuit. That was during the time of the Barrio era.